What is up, guys? So today, if you guys saw my last video, you know that the RX7 is currently down and I'm gonna have to pull the engine on it. So today's video, that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna start, just pulling all of the just outside stuff on it and getting it basically ready to just pull the core out and get it on an engine stand and get it taken apart. I do have to pick up my cherry picker from Felix and see how I'm going to actually mount the engine to an engine stand, because if you know rotaries, they take like special actual mounting adapters to go on engine stands just to be able to rebuild them and not have to worry about what's bolted to it. So I'm going to have to find an adapter. I'm going to have to get my cherry picker and I'm going to have to pull this thing out. So let's get on to it. Alright guys, so it's another day. I just got the engine basically all the way ready to pull. You can see it's in there. It's not being held in by anything right now, so it's just sitting on the motor mounts. Ran into a little bit of an issue because my cherry picker is actually touching the bumper and it's probably a good like 10 inches away from even being able to hook onto the chain. So I think I'm going to pull the bumper right quick and that should allow me to pull the engine, hopefully. I do have to set up my new engine stand. I swear to God, I've been buying so much Harbor Freight, you'd think that they sponsored this build, but I haven't seen a check yet. I gotta get that set up, and then I should be able to drop this thing on the stand and get it taken apart. So I got the Harbor Freight engine stand all put together, and it's actually pretty nice. So there's one last thing that'll get this engine on this stand. So since they're a little weird, there's a bunch of companies that actually make adapter plates for them. This one, this one's an Atkins rotary one. Yeah, this will let me mount the 13B onto the engine stand, and I'll be able to mount it with the center of weight right at that rotating part. So it'll be really nice. As much as I love the Vargas brothers, I'm a little too bitch and a little too by myself to be able to just build a 13B in a bucket. But we'll see. One of these days I might have to do it. Alright, so it took me a little bit, but I finally found out the right combination to get this Atkins mount to my engine stand. And you can see I had to get all four of the arms on the same two slots, just because it's really kind of an awkward way of mounting them. The holes are super close together, and if I tried putting them in the four different spots, they just wouldn't fit. But this seems to work pretty well. And all I gotta do is just tighten that up. And I just got an air compressor, so that means I might just be able to zip them on. This might be dope. So this is officially the first thing that's going to be tightened in this garage with the air compressor. God, it feels so good. Normally, I would have been using a wrench, and that would have taken at least 7 times the time that it took. So that's sick. So now that I got that little guy ready to accept an engine, let's do something about this bumper. So I've been in this position for a good 5 minutes now. So I feel like I'm too lazy to pull the wheel off. And I have absolutely no room to ratchet this thing. But I think I got a couple bolts left for this thing to come off. Shit sucks. So I have to raise the headlight to be able to get the last bolt in there behind the bumper. And since my battery's disconnected, I gotta manually do it. A little secret for y'all if y'all didn't know that about FCs, since they got these little manual turning things. You just turn that and the motor moves up and down. So I got the bumper and bumper support off. So now hopefully that'll give me enough room to be able to reach the engine with the cherry picker, but we'll see. Alright guys, so the 13B is out. Got it on the stand and it's draining. Nice little thing to have when you got these things is those cement mixing buckets. They're really good for catching all the drips and that kind of shit. So, yeah, that's nice and fucked 13B out of my car. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. Yeah, some shit's fucky with that for sure. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end the video right there. So if you guys have been liking what you've been seeing, then make sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and let me know what you guys think down in the comments. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time.